Hi, my name is Dmitry. I live in Russia and this is my Ural motorcycle. It has not always been like this. Then I rebuilt all the mechanical parts one by one. Despite the age of the motorcycle and a relatively high mileage, the mechanical parts were in pretty good shape. However, I still replaced all bearings and oil seals. The only damaged parts were pistons, due to overheating, and valves, because of the modern high-octane fuel. So, I installed later model cylinders with aluminum cooling ribs for better cooling, modern aftermarket pistons for higher compression ratio, and less friction losses due to thinner, modern-style rings. I had the cylinder heads rebuilt with valves and seats made out of modern materials. Stay tuned for the next episode, and thanks for watching.